Have you ever think about what do you prefer, chicken or pizza? I prefer chicken more than pizza. There are two reasons or why. First of all, chicken have many different kind of chicken's flavor. For example, if I eat chicken's flavor, one kind of chicken, and later I think I feel sick of that chicken, I can eat another kind of chicken, so I can eat many chicken. We can pick different chicken's flavor to not be sick of chicken. Second, chicken have many brands and each brand have own attractive parts. For example, BHC is delicious, BBQ is sweat addict. In the world have many chicken brands, and theirs have own attractive or special parts. It means we can choose one to go to chicken's brand. As a result, many chicken brands help good influence. It is will be not able to be sick of the chicken. These two reasons I prefer chicken more than pizza. Thank you for listening to my speech.